We are into the 14th over of the innings. The Rising Warriors need 65 to get off another 42 balls. They need to go at slightly 8 and over. Change in tactics by the Centurious Cricket Club. The spinners have been really wonderful in applying scoring breaks. Now they have gone back to the pace. All the fielders in. He has got a very strong offside field. The bowler should be really very careful. He should not pitch the ball outside the off stump. Hence resulting in a boundary, which will result in a boundary. So here's the first ball. Change in the bowler. Oh, that's good ball. That's a very good ball by. That's a really very good ball by Vamshi. Pitching on the ball coming back into the batsman. Nagabhushan on strike. Nagabhushan quietly manages a single. Oh, this is some fantastic captaincy by the Centurious Cricket Club captain. He has been very instrumental in actually applying scoring breaks and rotating his bowlers around. He has kept the field and bowlers very active. The bowlers delivering as it is, as the captain wants. So here's the third ball of the over. Again. Oh, that's a misfield. That's a slight misfield that resulted the batsman in taking a second run. Suraj Vanderbacks for a second run. Suraj trudges back for a second run. Now they have got a fielder back on the offside. The fielders have been very active cheering the fielders of. Oh! Suraj trying to swing the ball and only manages to get an inside edge, and the middle stump goes for a tossing. Great bowling there by Vamshi. Fourth wicket down for the Rising Warriors. Next batsman in is Manikanta. Suraj trying to heave it down the leg side. The scoreboard pressure was clearly telling on him, but was unable to get so. Vamshi sticking to the original line and then keeping the ball very full, keeping the ball very straight, attacking the stumps, and has been rewarded richly with a wicket. Manikanta is the new batsman. Can he turn the match around? Let's see. Manikanta takes guard. Is watching the field around. Manikanta on strike. Here's the fifth ball of the over. The 14th over. Oh, this is some great bowling there by Vamshi. The Centurious Cricket Club have been not up to the mark in the field. They've been misfielding a lot of balls. Butterfingers for the Centurious Cricket Club fielders. Oh, Nagabhushan tries to swing. only manages a single there. This is a great over by Vamshi. Has managed to get a wicket in the over. At the end of 14, the score stands at 112 for the loss of 4. Balu is the new bowler. He's coming over the wicket. The Rising Cricket Club needs another 57 in another 36 balls. The Rising Cricket Club needs another 59 in another 36 balls. Will they do it? Can they have the hands on their trophy? We are into the slog overs. We are into the final 6 of the match. We are expecting some serious fireworks from the Rising Warriors. Will the bowlers up the ante or will the batters up the ante? Let's find out. The crowd cheering, the captain talking, all going around the field. All the tactics are being observed in the ground. A great atmosphere in the ground today here in Vattinagulapalli in Urban Farms private stay. Balu, the medium pacer. Again has kept the ball really good, has pitched the ball in a good length. The fielder has again thrown the back into the field. The Centurious Cricket Club has been really on the toes. They seem quite alert, cheering all the fielders. The fielders cheering the bowlers. Oh, that was again a great fielding. That was really good fielding. Good backup by the keeper as well. Oh, that's some great fielding, great bowling there by Centurious Cricket Club bowlers by Balu. Manikanta only manages to get a single down to the point region. Here's the third ball in the over. Oh, that was just missing the off stump. Nagabhushan trying to swing the ball out of the ground, but survives. The ball was just missing the off stump. Great bowling there by Balu. Here's the fourth ball by Nagabhushan. Oh, will there be a run out? Oh, no, a poor throw by the fielder there. The batsman eventually gets back for a single. The singles won't hurt the Centurious Cricket Club at all. They won't mind the singles at this stage. The Rising Warriors need another 55 of another 32. Oh, yes, that's out. The ball tailed in. The batsman not at all convinced. The batsman telling the umpire that he has got an inside edge, but has to walk off. Unfortunately, wow, this has been great bowling there by Nagabhushan. What a fantastic bowling there by Balu. Manikanta is bowled. LBW. Manikanta seems very disappointed. He seems to have got an inside edge clearly. The ball hitting the middle stump has been clearly adjudged LBW. Amit Kare is the new batsman. Amit Kare was really wonderful with the ball for the Rising Warriors. Amit Kare is an all-rounder. He has got another 3,000 runs, another 3 runs for his 3,000. So that's a milestone for an Amit Kare. Milestone alert. Amit Kare is just 3 runs away from his 3,000th run. So let's see, will he achieve here? Will he be a hero today? 16th. బౌలింగ్ చాలా బాగా సాగుతుంది సెంచురియస్ క్రికెట్ క్లబ్ వాళ్ళది. కరెక్ట్గా ప్లాన్స్ ఎంప్లాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు అండ్ దే ఆర్ పిచ్చింగ్ ద బాల్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వేర్ ఇట్ నీడ్స్ టు బి పిచ్డ్. ద బౌలర్స్ ఆర్ బౌలింగ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద ఫీల్డ్ అండ్ ద ఫీల్డర్స్ ఆర్ యాక్చువల్లీ cheering the bowlers accordingly. Great coordination showed by Centurious Cricket Club. Can the Rising Warriors batsman Amit Kare make amends? Can he be a hero? The last ball of the 15th over coming up now. Amit Kare on strike. Balu to Amit Kare. Balu has been really brilliant. He has put the ball very full. Balu with the last ball of the 15th over. Oh, that was a very, very good ball. Oh, again! As we were praising the Centurious Cricket Club fielders, there was a slight misfield and the batsman manages to get 2 runs. Amit Kare is just 1 run away from his 3000th run. So after the end of the 15th, Rising Warriors 117 for the loss of 5. Nagabhushan is the batsman. Nagabhushan has been there for quite a while now. So he has read the pitch quite well. Has spent a lot of time in the crease. So the Rising Warriors will be heavily backing Nagabhushan to actually finish the match. Can he do it? Can Nagabhushan be a hero? Nagabhushan relying heavily on the Rising Warrior. The Rising Warriors relying heavily on Nagabhushan. He has been there from the past 6 overs now. He's 36 of 35. Nagabhushan needs to up the ante now. We are into the final 5. The new bowler into the attack. Making some field changes, field adjustments there. We at Urban Farms are here to witness a fantastic cricket match which is drawing close. A very exciting finish awaits us. What has Urban Farms got? What has Rising Warriors got? What has the Destiny got? Let's find out. Who will win the cup? Here's the first ball of the 15th over. Here's the first ball of the 16th over. Captain. Naeem Rahman is a new bowler. He's a fast bowler. Smart move by the captain. The fast bowler will get good purchase of the wicket. The wicket seems very hard. So here's Naeem in the 16th over, and that's a wide ball. Wide ball. So the batsman appealing for a wide, but the umpire suggesting it was in the play. The umpire giving it a bye. The batsman scampers for a single. Here's the second ball of the over. Oh, this was a wide. So can the batsman trudge back for a second? The batsman running very quickly. Yes, they make a second run. Misfield by the keeper. 3 runs added to the team's tally. The runs are gold of dust for Rising Warriors now. The score moves on to 120. The score moves on to 125 after the first ball of the 15th over. Here's Naeem. Needs to find his length. Oh yes, this was a very good delivery. The batsman. This was a great. The batsman has beautifully opened the face of the ball. Opened the bat's face. Quietly guiding it for a second run. Smart batting there by Amit Kare. Amit Kare has crossed his 3000th run. Congratulations, Amit Kare, on crossing your 3000th run. Here's the third ball of the over. The keeper cheering the fielders. Naeem Rahman to Amit Kare. Here's the third ball. Amit Kare beautifully opened the face down to third man. Here's the third ball. Oh. Good bowling there by Naeem. Keeping the ball full. Keeping the ball in the good and the full length. Amit Kare only manages to get a single there. Singles are not going to help the cause for Rising Warriors. Oh, that was edge. Will that go for a boundary? Yes, that goes for a boundary. The Rising Warriors won't mind this at all as long as the runs flow. As Sunil Gavaskar said, as long as the runs come, we don't mind how they are coming. This is great. This is a great bonus.